Building a guitar songbook and got a CHOPRO file with chord and lyric notation? This is the ChordPro format used widely by musicians. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these ChordPro song sheet files. Spoiler alert, this isn't magic. It's the result of knowing which single sophisticated CHOPRO file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. CHOPRO files are song sheet files using the ChordPro format, a text-based notation for guitar and ukulele chord charts. They store song lyrics with embedded chord symbols positioning chords above lyrics, enabling musicians to create, share, and print chord and lyric song sheets for performance practice and music collaboration. ChordPro. CHOPRO files use a plain text format with directives in curly braces such as title artist key and capo and chord symbols in square brackets within lyric lines. The format supports song metadata transposition instructions and section markers for verses, choruses, and bridges. The default, recognized opener for CHOPRO files is known to be ChordPro software from ChordPro project. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows may show the content, but richer editing capabilities require specific document software. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the CHOPRO file and click Open With. Test ChordPro software first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If the CHOPRO file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now, let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, opening in ChordPro software. Install ChordPro software from chordpro.org or other ChordPro compatible applications like Songbook or OnSong. Open the CHOPRO file to display formatted song sheets with chords positioned above lyrics. The application provides transposition, printing, and presentation features for musicians. Next, editing in a text editor. Open the CHOPRO file in Notepad++ Visual Studio Code or any text editor. The plain text format reveals lyrics with chord symbols and directives directly. Edit content following ChordPro syntax conventions and save changes for use in any compatible song display application. Finally, converting to PDF or HTML. Use ChordPro tools or online converters to transform CHOPRO files into PDF documents or HTML pages. The conversion produces formatted song sheets suitable for printing or web display. Generated PDFs work well for songbook compilation, while HTML enables sharing through music websites and applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.